Hey, it's me, Natalie on that. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. My name's Natalie and I'll do nails reviews, that sort of thing. So this is a picking the winner for the advent calendar from Sparkle Supply. So I've put all the names on and I've got my lovely assistant here. I'm just putting them in, called Dominic. Say hello, Dominic.
Hello, Dominic.
Does it every time. Never gets old, that, does it, Dominic? What a tool.
Some things are timeless.
So, what have you been up to today, Dominic?
Me?
Yeah.
Dealing with customers and doing work.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. There was 20 people, by the way, that he got me these gloves right the other day, and he said, "Oh, they're going to be really good for you. Look at the size of them. They're knocking off my hands. Do my head in these. They're doing me head in."
You're never grateful.
So I think what I'm going to do is, I think Dominic is going to have these gloves because I can't be doing with this.
Oh, I can't wear those. I don't wear gloves.
Yes, so there was 20 participants, 20 people. So, and Dominic shouted upstairs to me before. He said, "You know, Natalie," he said, "there is a thing where you can get a wheel and," what was it you said?
Online, like an online tombola where you put the names in.
And I've seen so many people do it. I've seen so many people do it, and I haven't got time, Dominic. I can't be doing that. I've seen it many, many times before.
Seems like the fairest way to me to do it.
Well, this is just as fair, really, isn't it? You know, just picking somebody's name out, because you know, just picking a name, isn't it? This is really doing me head in. Oh, for goodness sake! Yes, so I'll count them to make sure there's 20, because like I said, there were 20 participants. And like I say, if it goes to America, yeah, that's fine. I'll send it. I've got another thing going to America as well, so.
Better sell like it,
Eh?
Better sell like it.
I know it's expensive now, isn't it? No matter what you do or what you send anywhere. Yeah. Same all over though, isn't it, really? Right, I just want to make sure I've got 20 names, because that's how many there should be. I'm just going to count them all first. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good luck, guys. Who's going to be the winner? Come on, Dominic, pick one. Big one, big one, big one, big one.
That one.
And the winner is Lisa Brown, P3C. So, Lisa, I will give you. I'll give you 2 days to email me and let me know if you've not contacted me within 2 days, Lisa, then it'll get drawn again. So I'll leave those in there till Lisa's contacted me. Yeah, so congratulations, Lisa. You have won the advent calendar from Sparkle Supply, and I'm sorry if I'm knocking that mic, I do apologise. So yeah, so like I say, I'll give it 48 hours, sorry. And once she's contacted me, if she hasn't contacted me, I'll draw it again. So yeah, alright, thanks for participating, really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys, say bye, Dominic.
Bye.